Lazy Keto Grocery Haul, a special thank you to Giant for sponsoring today's keto grocery haul. I ran in to get some dirty keto. It's the Too Good 2 grams. And again, this is a dirty keto item for my grocery haul. I also ended up getting some of the frozen, no antibiotics, the Applegate amazing sausage. I love those for keto breakfast. I wanted to grab some of the Life Cuisine. They had it in the frozen freezer section at Giant, the low carb lifestyle egg bites. These would be more of a low carb item and not necessarily a keto item because they're a little bit higher in carb count, but an awesome high packed protein snack. And I did end up getting for a keto snack some hard boiled, I'm going to make some hard boiled eggs. Out of the freezer aisle, I snagged some of the mashed cauliflower to make mashed potatoes out of, but keto style. I'm really excited. We're going to use those for a keto dinner. Need to get my mom a birthday card. I ran over and oh my gosh, they had ginger. It's organic ginger. I literally like squealed because I'm going to put it in my water. Next, I got some of the Vermont meat sticks and I also ended up getting some of their little barbecue travel ones for lunches for the upcoming fall. And I'm really, really excited to get some of this amazing Black Angus frozen burgers. We're going to get some macadamia milk. I'm going to put those in some of my keto iced coffees. They're unsweetened too. There's pickle juice. Out of all of the things, there's pickle juice. Queen, yes, grab some. They're great for electrolytes, particularly if you're having the keto flu. They do also have amazing keto desserts there too. These were actually on sale at Giant as well, so I snagged one of those. My favorites for keto lunches is the cheese folios. You can wrap up some of their great deli meat with those too, really easy. And quite a variety on the sparkling ice and several other beverage items for the ketogenic diet, like the Propel. I love that grape flavor. It tastes like grape Kool-Aid, but with the electrolytes. I wanted to grab some flowers to celebrate a non-scale victory, and that was my amazing haul from Giant. Make sure you check out the description link below.